because we had the crash, we're borrowing this car for 2 weeks. That will hopefully give us enough time to get a new one. Hello everyone, today we're on the search for a new car. We've got our rental at the moment. As you know, we've got the rental for 2 weeks. Pressure's on again to find a car within budget. We are looking at cars, obviously. We've got to take the money out of our build money when you set us back. But anyway, as I say, we move on, we move up, we carry on pushing. But yeah, we're gonna look through quite a few car lots, car dealerships today, see what we're working with really. What was this one, sorry? 2.750, 5.350. Oh, yeah, that one's too expensive for us.
So we've come into the car lot, had a look around, and within about 10 seconds we realised that there's absolutely no vehicles, cars, buses, whatever you want to call them, that we can afford. There's like one car at the back that we're about to take a look at now. So here we go. Here we go. And it was 71 kilometers. 71,000, yeah. Nice. Oh, thank you. So yes, we've just come into Skyline Auto Mall and just had a little look around. Very nice salesman here, very, very nice. Now we're gonna move on to the next one. We're back in the car, we're just gonna drive to the next dealership now. And this is what we're gonna keep doing just for today till we find something pretty much. How did you feel about the one that we just saw? Do you think it's a contender? What do you think? Feel.
The only downside for me is obviously that last car that we saw was just, well, it's pretty small, but it's economical. But anyway, we'll keep looking.
That car hasn't been registered to anyone on the island yet. So it's the first time, it's just come from Japan or wherever it is. It's obviously a Toyota Vitz. It was 2 mil, which is like grossly out of our price range, but that was the cheapest car they had. So we were just like, let's have a look at it. If we can't get something cheaper than that, then, you know, I don't know what we'll do. Well, again, it will just have to be like a banger, because that's the only thing we could even possibly begin to afford. And then if we do get a banger, then you're constantly like in and out of running the risk of just spending your whole life at the mechanics trying to keep it going until you can afford another car, which probably may never come. Pray that we can find someone within realistically available, that can afford, then we will try and buy that.
Now we're at the next one. It's called Auto Grounds. We're gonna go over and just check out what they got. Well done, darlings. This one's for 1,850. 1,850 and 2016.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it open?
Oh, what is it? A Toyota?
Yes, so the Toyota Hybrid.
Okay. And newly imported. Lovely. Very nice. Okay, so now we're at the next one. We're checking out Top Rated Automotive and seeing what they've got available. Again, that's within budget, low kilometers. Hopefully we can get something that's just newly been imported as well. Let's see what they have. This one's a 16. 1,980. Okay. Nice. good condition. 65. And did you say it was a 2016 because you sold the 17?
Here, and we're trying to buy a car. Well, we're just like looking around the different places right now. So I'm just hiding in the shade. There's the kids. We're here. What are you two doing? A bug? Don't worry about the nasty. Alright, let's just get the sign there. Oh, it's not.
Sold the 2000.
Alright, so it's not a 2000. So they're all 2016s.
Yeah.
For about 2 mil.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm hopping out. We're at Charlie on Spot and we'll see what they got. So there's this one here. 2018 Vitz, Toyota Vitz Hybrid. Did you say this one was? 1750. Lovely. Just needing to turn it on now so we can see the kilometers. So we've gone to a few dealerships now, like hopped in and out the car, looked at pretty much the cheapest ones they got available within budget. We've looked at the kilometers, the mileage. We've looked at whether they're imported or newly imported or not. And we've managed to find a few, just a few, but we're gonna keep going this road, going in all the dealerships we can look at, keep checking them out really. The next one I'm going into is Mell Autozone. We'll see what they have. It's got a fair amount at this one. Let's have a look. Subarus, Hondas, Toyotas. Let's keep on looking. So we've got the Toyota Yaris Hybrid. Take 2 million for it. Okay, 2 million. Can I just look at the mileage? Thank you. There we go. Kilometers, yeah. Not bad actually, not bad at all. Oh, it's hot in here. Very hot. No, not bad. Thank you. You got any more that's below 2 million, or is this the only one? Lovely. 771U. What's your name, sir? Nick. Okay, perfect. I just spoke to Nick. He's saying that Toyota Yaris is the only one they got at the moment. If I come back in a week's time, they'll obviously have more. Crunch time with the car. We don't want to extend the rental. Yeah, definitely don't want to extend the rental because, as you know, rentals aren't cheap. So we'll go to the next dealership, which is either called Wheelz or Sam's Motor Sales. Toyota Vitz 2016, 1.750. Lovely. Let's look at the back. Is it newly imported? Lovely. Can I check the mileage? Is that all right? Thank you. I think the colour's nice. This one's a 2022, he said. Yaris. Ah, okay. Never mind. So this is a Mazda, and you could get this one for 2 mil. Again, can I just look at the mileage on this one, please? And is this one imported as well? Thank you. Toyota Probox. How much did you say this one is? 1.89. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. So it's not, but it is. And we're just going to check out the kilometers, the mileage on this one. Let's have a look. There we go. So we've got 51,800. to right in here as well. All right.
Third one, bread bins.
And that one's definitely been the best one by far.
Say.
Best one. They had probably about 4 or 5 that they showed me. Toby's in the car looking after the little one, so I just went in. But yeah, they had about 4
I'm not
or
allowed
5.
to talk in this one because people on the internet have said that I'm a nasty guy. So I just do this now.
Right, stay silent. Anyway, yeah, I just went in there to Saw Motor Sales. Spoke to Mr. Price, very nice guy. He took me around a couple of cars they got.
Car singing?
No.
Yeah.
It's too smelly.
La 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 la.
He
La,
took
la,
us.
la la la. La 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 la.
Have you finished it, B?
Not yet.
Oh,
La
okay.
la la. La 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 la.
Anyway, he took me around a lot of cars. So there was a Yaris, there was a Probox, there was a Mazda, there was 2 Mazdas.
Probox maybe, Yaris maybe. Is it a hybrid?
You
don't want that.
Yes, it was. The Toyota was, yeah. And there was a Toyota Vitz as well.
So the Vitz maybe, yeah, but it looks like we're gonna have to get a small one or a Probox or something like that.
Yeah.
Would you like a Vitz or a Probox? Yeah!
Got a nice blue car.
Safe, bread bin. Come on, spud me then. What are you doing?
Yes, let's go to the next one. I know. Hazel saying she likes this red
She
car.
likes the Mercedes S-Class 100k.
Someone's got expensive taste.
On to the next one.
Whoop. So this one's a 2021. Can I just see the mileage? Thank you. This one's very spacious.
As I said, this one more expensive.
Okay.
Maximum 2,400,000 for this one.
Ah, see, yeah.
1,850,000 and half.
So 1,850,000, yeah.
7-seater one. Right.
And this one is
Isis Platana.
Isis Platana and 2 million. Oh,
I can negotiate it to 2 million.
okay. That's kind of you. What else? Cool. So I've just looked at a Honda Shuttle, just looked at a Toyota Isis. So far they're looking good. The Toyota Isis I like because it's got 7 seats, so that's got a fair amount of space for the children and it's in budget. So that's looking good. This one is a 7-seater. That's a Toyota Isis, which is a 7-seater. And then this one's a Honda White Shuffle. There we go. Mileage. There we go. What year is this one? 2016. Okay, and here we have a 2017. This one's a Mazda. Looks nice. Oh, this one's a 7-seater as well. Oh, nice, nice. Okay. This one is a Premacy. Nice. How much is this one? 1,850,000. And this one's 1,850,000. Yeah, it's not bad. 62130. I just went into BoJays Auto Sales just outside right now. We're parked here. That was quite good. They've got quite a few cars there and that kind of suit what we need in price budget. They showed me probably about 4 or 5 cars. Some of them 7-seaters, some of them not. Definitely a few possibilities in BoJays. The owner was like showing me the cars along with his colleague and they were very nice. The owner had his little boy. His little boy was about just under 2, I think he said he was, and he was walking around with his little boy and that was really sweet to see. Very good customer service there, by the way. Good stop.
Why do we need to get it back to Uncle Junior's friend?
Well, why do we need to give this car back to Uncle Junior's friend? Because this car isn't our car. Because we had the crash, we're borrowing this car for 2 weeks. And where we're borrowing this car for 2 weeks, that will hopefully give us enough time to get a new one. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you say hello to the YouTubers?
Hello, YouTubers. We're here at BoJays Auto Sale. Can they get a selfie of me? You just press this ribbon.
So I'm just at another dealership seeing what they've got. So just looking around again, just walking around, seeing what cars they got, checking out the mileage, checking out the brand, checking the inside, checking the outside, looking at the price. Obviously, price is a big factor. But yeah, there's a few here, so hopefully we can find something available. We just keep looking, keep on this hunt. We've got to find something. We've got to be hopeful, haven't we? Yeah, now we're at Hatfield Car Mart.
Alright.
Here we go, there's one there.
2 million, okay. Cool.
2 million.
Is it
2020.
Is it import?
So there's this one.
So the Probox is what, 2 mil?
2 mil.
Nearly.
2020.
Yeah, 220 and 97,000 kilometers.
Wow, it's much better, doesn't it, than our one?
Yeah, because we had an AD wagon which.
Go on.
Asking about warranty, nothing like major.
Alright then, so we're just at Skyline Auto again. We saw a car here the other day that we liked, so we've come back. I've just given it a little test drive. I think this might be the one, but we'll see, we'll see. Put a deposit down on the car, and then we have actually gone back and paid the rest of the balance. So we've actually paid the car for the car now. Just gone into, well, I don't know if you can see it here, but I've just gone into Orion's insurance. We're in Mandeville, and now insured the car. Now we've done the car insurance and sorted that out, I'm gonna go to the tax office and get the car title. We've already got plates, so I need to transfer the plates, get the plates transferred onto this new car. And then I think that's it. Then we can drive away. And that should be it. You alright, Mel? Ooh, your hair. Ooh.
It's me. Daddy Osborne. The new vehicle, guys.
Hazel's still in there. She is, isn't she?
Hey, that's no seatbelt. Huh? What?
Yeah, there is.
What? There's no seatbelt here.
Yeah, because it comes from up there and it goes in.
Oh,
Yeah. How are you liking it, Hayes?
good.
Hate it.
Right, so we made it. We have done everything now. So the car is insured. The car has been taxed. We got new license plates, and we're just about to drive away with the car. Right, we are all done. So I'm driving the rental back, and Tobes is going to be driving the new car. Whoop, whoop. Yep. These are my warm blanket. Which is yours? Which is yours? Oh, okay, cool.
Oh, I got my seatbelt.